begin. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Good morning,
Assalamu
ma'am.
alaikum, teacher.
Good
Walaikum
morning, ma'am.
salam. How are you all?
Fine, teacher.
Very good. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very well. Alhamdulillah. All right, everybody, let's get started with the topic. This was the game that we were doing. Today is 20th August, Wednesday, and this is summer camp week 3. And let's get ahead. Over here, this is grade 5 and 6. What we were doing is we were completing this game. Right now, what we have done, we have made a game which looks somewhat like this. Our controls are working absolutely fine. Our player can move ahead, can move backwards, can jump, and can jump down as well. Okay, so this is the scenario right now, and let's move ahead with the game. Over here, the next step which we are going to be doing in the game is कि अभी तक हमने क्या किया था everyone till now what we have done is we have added all the basic necessary steps to move our player forward. Okay, we have added those steps through which our player is going to be moving forward. Now, in the game, what we are going to be doing, we are going to be adding some obstacles. Does anybody know what obstacles means?
Yeah, like parkours or something.
I'm
Yes.
sorry, repeat yourself. Like what?
I said like parkours or something.
Basically, obstacles are when we are playing any game and there we have some um, how can I say, like the player is running and then it faces some troubles like some spikes or a water or a river or any kind of obstacle, basically a dump hole or anything. That is an obstacle means to like that obstacle is going to
Ma'am,
stop the player. G.
it's looking like a
Uh,
jump. Ma'am, last time when I make the game, it was a miss. So I make it again. I put the full coding like you did and the everything else, but my character is still not moving
Have you placed the character on the tile map or in the background?
in the background.
Okay, I'll have a look at it once I will complete the topic. Okay? At the end of the class. Okay?
it's
Okay.
not
G.
working for me.
G?
It, it's not working for me.
It's not working for you as well?
Yeah.
I think so. You and Zara, you both have might made a mistake because this game is working at everybody's end. Iman, is it working for you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Minsa,
Yes.
Vania,
Yes.
is the game working at your end, dear?
Yeah.
Okay. And Hassan, what about you?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think so. Amna and Zara, you guys have made any mistake. Once I will complete the topic, I will look at your code at the end of the class. Okay? Right now, we are moving ahead with the topic. Over here, what we are going to be doing, this is my character. What I want to do is I want to place some obstacles over here. What do we mean by obstacles? Obstacles क्या होते हैं? जब हम कोई गेम खेल रहे होते हैं, किसी गेम में बीच में हमारे कैरेक्टर को रोकने के लिए जो चीजें आती हैं, जैसे कोई कोई जब हम सबवे सफर खेल रहे होते हैं तो वहां पे ट्रेन्स आती हैं बीच में. व्हेन वी आर प्लेइंग सबवे
Yeah.
सफर, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रेन्स in that game to stop the player from moving forward. Those trains are the obstacles. Okay, it is to stop the player from moving forward, and we want that in our game. We want the game to be more interesting, right? So we will be adding some obstacles in the game. Let's see how we can add them. Are you guys ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's get started. Over here in your this game, over here you all can see we have this menu over here on the right left hand side. When I'm scrolling it down, you all will scroll it down. When we are scrolling it down, you all will see we have some obstacles over here. Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, these are the obstacles we are going to be using. And how we are going to be using: first we need to go to the background. We cannot add obstacles on the tile map. We need to go to the background section, and here we are going to be adding the obstacles. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's
Yes.
get started. So over here, this is my obstacle. This is like a these are like spikes. Okay, so we are going to be adding these, one for here, one for here. Okay, let's add this one maybe down here. Okay, so like this we are going to be
Then
adding
how
some.
then
G.
how then
Like
how
this
our
we are
player
going to
will
be
win
adding some
them.
obstacles in the game. Okay, like I'm going to be placing this over here in the corner, and I'm going to be adding one more obstacle, maybe over somewhere here. Okay, so I have added three obstacles in the background. Everybody, you have to click on this option in the layers background and then add your obstacle. Please do not add your obstacle in the tile. Again, I'm saying it. Please do not add your obstacle in the tile. Okay, add
Okay.
it in the background. If you will add it in the tile, see what will happen. This is your obstacle. I'm placing it over here. It is asking you, you want to replace the tile. Even if, let's say, I say yes, what will happen? This is not going to be enabling us to do any kind of programming. But if I click on this one, it can enable us to do, some sort of programming on that obstacle. And this is not going to be, for the player. It is not going to do anything for the player. So we don't want that. Okay. So this is how it is going to be working. Over here we have three obstacles. We have placed three obstacles, and now we are going to make the player move the obstacles or remove the obstacles. Let's see how we can do that. I think I'll place one more over here. Okay. Okay, wait, background, one more over here. Okay, now let's see how we can do that. Firstly, I'm going to be clicking on this play option to see how my program, how my game is looking right now. See, right now my player is here. When I'm moving the player, the obstacles are moving with the player. You all can see, right? The obstacles are moving with the player. If I am clicking on this option to retry this over here, I'm showing you again. This is my player. Here I have some obstacles. If I'm moving, okay, let's move it down and let's move it like this. So here what it is doing, it is just moving the obstacle. We don't want it to move the obstacle. Okay, we want the obstacle to be there. We don't want the obstacle to move. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, have you all completed it till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Please complete it
Yes.
till here quickly. Okay, after completing it till here, what you will do, you will right click on one obstacle, the first one, this one. Right click on this, you will see this option, add script. Can you all see this option? You will click on this option, add script. Okay, this is for what? This is for the obstacle. Okay, so what we are going to be doing, we're going to be adding the script over here for the obstacle. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so over here, let's see how we can do that. Over here, we have the uh, I would say coding area, and over here we have our coding blocks. So let's see the first one which we are going to be picking up is this one from the events block. Can you all see the events block?
Yes.
From the
Yes.
events block, we are going to be selecting this one when created. Can you all see when created? Place this one when created, and then move back to the physics option. Go back to the physics option, and from the physics option, we are going to be moving it downwards over here. And from the physics option, we are going to be. Can you all see this option? Set immovable. Immovable means it will stay at its place. Set immovable. Do not move the obstacle, okay? Do not move the spikes here and there. Place it on the spot and do not move, okay? So from physics, we are going to be selecting this option, set immovable. Can you all see this?
Yes.
And we are going to be attaching it over here. Can you all see this?
Yes.
Right? And after this, what you are going to be doing, you are going to be clicking on this option, the sensing option. And from the sensing option, you all can see this option, tagging. Can you all see this?
Yes.
The tagging option, you are going to be choosing this option, tagging option, and you're going to be attaching it over here. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear till here? After doing this, what you are going to be doing, you are going to be giving this a tag name. What is the tag name right now which we are using? Obstacle. Okay. What we are using right now, we are using obstacle, right? So we need to give it the tag name obstacle, and then we are going to be moving it to the game. So let's move it to the game. Let's try it. Let's click on play, and it is going to be asking me, do you want to save the changes? I will click on the save option, and then it is going to be asking me from with which name you want to save it. So I will write obstacle. Okay, and save. And now let's try the game. Can you see this? Now, if my player is going towards the obstacle, it is not moving, it is kept in its place.
Yes.
Understood? Previously, the obstacle was moving, right? We don't want the obstacle to move. So, right now, the obstacle is kept in its place. Now, let's see. The obstacle is here. The player has to jump forward to get ahead from the obstacle. And right now we have done the programming for only this obstacle, the first one. Now
Ma'am,
we are
are
going
you
to be
doing the
doing.
same coding for each obstacle?
Yes, we are going to be doing the same coding for each obstacle. Okay, ठीक है जी.
Okay.
Okay, now what we are going to be doing, it's very simple how we can do the same coding for each obstacle. It's very simple. Now over here, see, over here what you need to do, you need to go back to your this media option. From here, the media option, and over here what we are going to be doing, we are going to be going on this option. Can you all see the code option? Code, can you see
Yes,
that?
teacher.
Right, over here what we are going to be doing in the code option, we are going to be making this code for every obstacle. We are not going to be making the code or doing the code again. We are just placing the code for each obstacle. I'll tell you how. Over here what you're going to be doing, you're just going to be selecting this code. Mm, You're going to be selecting this code and place it for this one. You're just going to be attaching it, okay? So I have chosen this code over here, the obstacle one. So I'm going to be attaching it for this, attaching it for this, and or koi hai mera? I think so. We have one more obstacle over here. So we're going to be taking this and we're going to be attaching it for this. And now let's see. Let's try. The first one. Okay, it's still moving. It should not.
Miss, it didn't work for me.
I'm trying to do that, dear. It should work. I think so. It will work because these are for this to, use it for the same code. अच्छा, ये देखें इसमें ना on this one, the first one, the code has been added. Can you all see this yellow circle around it? The code has been added on this one. So now we have to add the code over here. So I'm going to be picking this one obstacle from here and placing it. I'm trying to place it over here. I don't know what's happening. Why it's not being placed.
Teacher,
Jay?
you need to select the object and then you have to click on it maybe and then select obstacle.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. It's not like that. Okay, just give me a minute, please, everyone. Just let me see why it's not working. All right, everybody. So let's move ahead. What we have done, we have just duplicated the same obstacle like this. Just duplicate it. It will, appear over here. You can just simply add as many duplicated obstacles as you want. All of them are going to be having the same code. Now, if you guys have you guys completed it till here, guys?
Yes, teacher.
You
Yes,
guys have
teacher.
completed
Yes,
it till here?
miss.
Okay. Okay. Now, the next thing what we
Yes.
are going to be doing after completing it, we are going to be clicking on this option. Can you all see my player over here? I need to move it a little down. Okay. Now, okay. You all can see my player over here. Say yeah. So what we are going to be doing, we're going to be clicking on this player and you all can see edit script for player. Can you see that? Right, we're going to be editing the script for the player. This is my script for the player. Just a minute, please. Okay. Okay, what we need to do, we need to edit the script for the player. Can you all see this option? Just click on this option and then you will get your script what we have made earlier. Can you all see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now after coming here on this screen, what you will do, you will go on this option. Can you all see the physics option? You will go on this option, and when you will click on this option, can you see when I am touched, get toucher? Can you see this option? Okay, we are going to be dragging this option over here, and after dragging this option over here, what we are doing right now is when our player is going to touch the obstacle, the player should get hurt and it life should get lower. Okay, it is like that in any game, right? So we are going to be doing the same thing over here. Now let's try how we can do that. Over here, after adding this option from the physics, what we are going to be doing, we're going to be getting this option from the if l, okay, from the control block. We are going to be getting this condition. Can you all see this condition over here? Everyone,
Yes.
can you all see this condition over here? If and do. We need this condition if and do, and we are going to be placing this condition over here. I'm zooming it for you all. This one. We're going to be attaching it over here, okay? Understood? Shall I move forward?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Now, moving on with this option, please tell me if you have done it till here, this one. Only this one.
Then
Okay.
Done,
Now,
miss.
after you have done, completed this option, what we are going to be doing, can you all see the sensing block? The sensing block, everyone. From the
Yes.
sensing block, what we are going to be doing, we're going to be choosing this option over here. Mm, this one. Can you all see? Myself has tag this tag name. Can you all see this? Second option in the tagging, right? We will choose this option and we will place it over here in the if block. Okay? Guys, please answer me.
okay.
Understood? Have you guys
Yes.
done it?
Yes.
Now, after doing it till here, what we will do, we will go to this option. Can you see this global and local? Can you all see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. No, this option, the variables option. From the variables option, we are going to be choosing this option, instances. Can you see this? Instances. From the variable option, instance, we are going to be choosing this and we're going to be attaching it over here in the myself block. Myself, attach it in the myself block and remove the myself. Just delete this. Shall I do it again for you?
No, it's
No.
easy.
Please tell me if anything is not understandable. Please tell me.
I understand everything.
Shall I do it again for you all?
No.
No need.
After completing it till here, the next thing what we are going to be doing is we're going to be changing the tag name. Over here, the tag name should be obstacle. Raise your hands if you have completed it till here. Okay, Minsa has done it. Bilal has done it. Iman. What about the rest of you? Hassan, Wanya Wakas. Okay, Hassan has done it. Vanya just got disconnected. Zara, what about you? Okay, Zara is not here. Okay, moving on, everybody. Bilal, can you please mute yourself? Thank you so much. Okay, moving on, everybody. If you have done it till here, the next thing what we are going to be doing is we're going to be choosing physics option. And from the physics option, I think so from the physics option or maybe from the events option. Let me see. I think so from this option, the control flow maybe. Hmm. Hmm. Let me see. Hmm. Mm-mm. Let me see from where we need to get it. Transform. No, I think so. Okay, I think so. We need the control flow. Yes, here we go. Okay, from the control flow option, you will choose this option. Can you see control flow? This first one, control flow में से आपने ये choose करना है. The first one, go to. Can you see? We will choose
Okay.
this one, go to, and we will add it in this do. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Just attach it over here, and right now it says do go to next level. So we don't want the player to go to the next level, we want the player to stay in the current level. Okay, so basically, what this whole program or this whole piece of code is going to be doing, when I am touched, get toucher. So, what it is going to be doing, when it is going, this is the obstacle, okay? This is the obstacle which we have placed. When the player is running from here, when the player will touch this obstacle, what will happen? What will happen? If the player has touched the obstacle, okay, touch the obstacle. So let's see what will happen. Let's click on this option, play. It is asking me to save all the changes. Yes, save all the changes. And let's see, let's move the player. Can you see? When it is going near the obstacle, nothing happens, but when it is touching the obstacle, the game is starting again. Can you see that? I'm showing you again. Okay. See,
Okay.
it is when it is touching the obstacle. Here, I'm purposely touching it with the obstacle. Okay, it is going back. It is starting the game again. Did you all saw that?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, I
Is it the same for you?
do.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Now this is the game right now. We want the player to start, or we want the game to start again, because we want the player to get hurt with the obstacle. Okay, now let's move ahead with the next thing what we are going to be doing over here. You guys have raised, okay, just please lower your hands. Please lower your hands, everybody. Okay, now what we are going to be doing, the next thing is we're going to be clicking on this back option. We're going back to the game, and over here, you all can see we have layers and we have other options as well. So now you all can see my player, my game right now is very empty, as you all can see, because we have no background. We have only white background and the game looks very empty, right? We want some kind of color in the game. So let's see how we can go over here. Over here, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be seeing this option layers. Can you all see this option layers?
Yes, ma'am.
Over here, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be clicking on this plus option. See this plus option, click on this plus option. First go to background, and then click on this plus option, click on this new layer. Okay, new layer, and rename it. Rename this layer. Here I'm renaming it as background image. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Rename it
Okay.
as background image. Add a new background in. We are going to be adding a new background in this. Okay. So now over here, I'm going to be moving it down. See, I have just moved it down. This is my background image. I have moved it down over here. First, it was up here. First, it was here. Now I have moved it down in the last one. Can you all see that? Okay, the next thing what we are going to be doing is in the background, we need to click on this option, the background image. Okay, We need to click on this option, background image. Then we need to go on the media option. And from the media option, we will have backgrounds over here. Can you all see these backgrounds?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? You can choose any background of your own choice, but I will choose this background. Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? I will choose this background for my player. Okay, from the backgrounds in the background image layer. Okay, please make sure do not add it in any other layer. We need to add it only in the background image layer. Okay, please do not add it in any other layer. All right.
Okay.
Okay, have you guys completed it till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, the next thing what we are going to be doing is on the background over here, on the background, just right click on the background over here. Yeah, right click on the background over here and choose this option, add script. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
The next thing what we are going to be doing is we're going to be selecting this option events, and from this option we are going to be selecting this option when created. Okay, and now the next thing what we are going to be doing, from the physics option we are going to be choosing, see, can you all see this option, set physics enabled true. We are going to be choosing this option from the physics option, and we're going to be choosing it with false. We are going to be selecting false for it. Can you all see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you all completed it till here?
Yes. Wait.
Yes.
Okay, done.
Okay. Okay, the next thing what we are going to be doing is we're going to be choosing events option, and from the events option, can you all see this option constantly? Just drag it over here constantly.
Okay.
Done?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, the next option which we're going to be choosing is from the transform option. Can you all see this option? Set X position myself to 0, right? We're going to be choosing this option and we're going to be placing it over here. Done?
Yes.
The
Yeah.
next thing what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be duplicating this one. Okay, so duplicate this one, set X and place it over here again. Why? Because I am going to be making this one for X and this one for Y. Done?
Yes. Okay. Now I'm done.
Has every one of you completed it till here? Okay,
Yes.
moving on to the next option. The last thing what we're going to be doing over here is we're going to be clicking on this option looks. Can you all see this option looks? Right? We're
Yes,
going to be going on this option looks, and over here we have camera. Okay, so what we are going to be doing, we're going to be selecting this option camera X, and we're going to be placing it over here instead of 0, and the 0 is over here, so just grab it and delete it. Do the same thing
okay.
for Y as well. Duplicate this X and place it over here. Delete this 0. And now make this for Y. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Understood, everyone?
Done, teacher.
Okay, the next thing what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clicking on this play option. It is asking me to save the progress. Yes, save the progress. I'm going to be naming it as background image. Okay? And save. Now let's see. What we have done over here basically is, okay, when our player is going to be moving, the camera and the background is also going to be moving. Okay, this is my background right now. See, this is my background right now. It has some clouds, this tree, some hills over here, some mountains. So, what we are going to be doing, we're going to be moving the player as well as we're going to be moving the background of the game as well. See, this is how. Uh, see, can you all see that?
Yeah.
It's moving with the player.
What about the rest of obstacles?
What about the rest of the obstacle means?
Means only we added in this place, not other.
We will add it. It is right now we're just going with the basics, right? It is quite of a big game, right? We need the basics to be correct. Okay, have you all completed it till here?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
You all should be very proud of yourself because we have created a game ourselves. Okay, now let's move ahead with the game over here. The next step, what we are going to be doing, let's see. Okay. Mm, okay, Ji. Now, coming back to the game over here, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be moving this game. Let's see how. Okay, one thing we all can do as well. The next thing which we can do as well, we can go over here. You all can see it has post constantly, constantly, and pre constantly. So, what we can do, let's see. This is post constantly. Let's see what happens in this option in the game. This is post constantly. Okay, so the background is still, but the player is moving. Okay, but we need it in constantly, so let's keep it in constantly and let's save it. ठीक है? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the next thing what we are going to be doing is we are going to be moving ahead. Let's see over here what we're going to be doing. Actually, now this is my level one. Okay, like this is the first level which we have created. Okay, one thing I will change over here is I will make it post constantly. Okay, make it post constantly, save it, and then come back over here on the main screen. Now, after coming back over here on the main screen, the first thing which we are going to be doing is we are going to be making the what do you call it, the game or um, the level, the game. We are going to be giving it some kind of different level. Okay, right now my player is doing what? My player is moving. It is touching the obstacle and the game starts again. Okay, now we need more characters in the game, right? We need more things in the game. So for that, what we are going to be doing, can you all see this option? We are on right now level 1. So we will click on this option, the plus, and we will create new level, level 2.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now in the media option, I think so you might, okay, in the level option you will see we have level 1 over here and we have level 2 over here, right? Can you all see that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the next thing what we are going to be doing is we are going to be changing the size of the game right now. Why we are changing the size of the game? Because the image which we are using is not fitting properly inside the game. We want the image to fit properly inside the game, right? The background image. So what we are going to be doing, we are going to be changing some like we are going to be changing the size of the game to fit the image properly. Now let's see how we can do that. Over here, if you click on this option game setting, you might will see the game setting is with 960. The width is 960 and the height is 540. Okay, and right now the new level which we are going to be starting is of this much x and this much y. We don't want it this much, we want it according to the size of the game. The x is 960 and the y is 540 in the game. So over here, let's change this x. We want this according to this, so 960. X is going to be what? X is going to be 960. Okay, and we are going to be doing the same for y. Over here, change the y, 540. Okay, done. So now
Yes,
you
yes.
will see my game right now. The screen looks same as level 1. See, the screen looks same as level 1. This is level 1 and this is level 2. Level 1 and level 2 now looks the same. Done. Now, in level 2, what we are going to be doing, in level 2, we are going to be adding a background. How? Over here, go to media. And right now we are not going to be creating any new layer in the same background layer in level 2. This is level 2 background, the same. Over here you all can see we have again so many backgrounds. From this background I am choosing this option and I'm placing it over here. Did you saw that?
Yes, ma'am.
Just place this blue option over here, and after adding this blue option over here, you all can see we have interface. In the interface option, we have so many options. We have you win, you lost, game over. We have so many options. So over here, what I am going to be doing, I'm going to be choosing this option you win. Okay, you win. And we are going to be adding this over here in the game. Can you all see that? This is
Yeah.
how the this is how my game is looking right now. It says you win. Okay? And now because the game has the player has won the game, so either the player can restart the game or the player can quit the game. So over here we are going to be adding one more option. This one. Can you all see this option?
Yes, teacher.
The start option, we can add this one as well. The start option, timata start. See, in the center of the game, in the center of the screen, add this option, timata start.
Okay.
Okay, now again we are going to be adding one more layer. If you have completed it till here, please let me know.
Added, ma'am.
Okay. If you
Yes,
have
I completed
completed
it.
it till here, then add one more layer from here. Create new level, level 3. Okay. And we are going to be changing level 3, the size of the level 3. Let's see how we can change it and what we are going to be doing, the backgrounds. Let's see. If you have completed it, add one new level, level 3. Go to level 3 option, change the size again, 960, make it 960 x and 540 y, 540 y. See? Now, have you all completed it till here?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. After doing this, what we are going to be doing after changing the size, you all can see background color. Can you all see this option in the same level option, background color? Okay. Click on this option, background color, and select a red color. Red is for game over. So we are going to be selecting this bright red color for the background.
Miss, can we use dark red?
You can use any red. I have used this bright red.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm using dark red.
Game over.
It is up to you. You can use any color. Done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, after completing it till here in level 3, what we are going to be doing, we're going to be adding this option, the game over. Can you all see this option?
Yes.
Add
Yes.
this option, game over. After adding this, we want the game to start again, right? If you have lose, you can retry again. So we're going to be choosing this option, Timata start, and we're going to be placing it in the center. Have you all completed it?
Not
Yes.
yet.
Please complete it and let me know.
Miss, I completed it.
Okay.
Then
Now, if you have completed it, your game might be looking like this. We have the game over here. In level 1, we have game. In level 2, it says you win. And in level 3, it says game over. Can you all see that?
yes.
Is it the same for you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I think so. Let's keep it till here because my class time is over. So let's keep it till here. Thank you so much, everyone. Inshallah, we will continue this tomorrow. We will move forward with the game tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Do not forget to save your work, everybody. Click on this option, file, and save your game. Do not forget to save your game. Otherwise, you will lose your game. Save your game, and inshallah I will see you guys soon, maybe tomorrow or maybe on Monday. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz, ma'am.
Hafiz.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz,
Have a
ma'am.
nice day. Allah Hafiz.